Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm going to try to play Gates of Olympus. I just got 25 free spins. I don't know if you know this about 25 free spins on programmatic play, but I'm playing on player bets. So I want to see what is gonna happen if I can play these 25 free spins. Will I get the bonus? And then will I make some profit? But it seems like it says this 25 free spins, it only allows you to start with 20 cent, as that's what I can see. There's like you cannot increase here, you cannot do anything, but as you can see them here, they are written free bonuses spins 24. Already played one, I was just testing them, but let's see if we can grab something, or if these things are real, it's gonna work for us. And thank you guys for watching, and then don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Thank you. Let's just begin first. Good. Oh, I thought the glasses are going to be there. Okay, the gold, they are in. The blues are in. Oh, the red. But we are making some small profit there. I left with 10 free games, okay? Okay, the golds are in. The blues. Oh, couldn't get them. Alright. Alright, this is good so far. Please, okay. Can we get a bonus with these free spins? Okay, the blues. They're not in. I just want to see if something good can happen with these free things that they are giving us. Okay. Alright. We need the greens or the blues. Okay, the gold are there. Okay, so far we've 2 rand something. Alright guys, continue. You won, okay? I think now we have 2 rand, like at least in this 25 games, or let me say 24, I've managed to make only 2 rand. So I don't know if I can call that useful or useless, you know, but I won't say anything. Because to be honest, I don't feel like I'd rather play with 40 cent. I don't want to waste my time. If I'm winning, I'm winning. If I'm losing, I'm losing. The only problem that I have with this account, guys, is because of verification. So I haven't really deposited my money. I will show you what I'm talking about. Okay, the game is over, but I haven't really deposited my money. So I just wanted you guys to see. Let me reduce the screen so that you can see what I'm talking about. Because of this is player bet that somebody advised me that I can. Okay, this is the player bet that I'm talking about, guys. I don't know if you guys are using this one. Just let me know if this is the right one, because I don't want to use my money and then after that using my money you find that I'm wasting a lot of my money inside here. So I'm not sure if this is the right one. Just let me know if it's the right one, and if it's the right one, I will read your comments, and then I do appreciate that. And thank you guys. I will catch you up in the next video, and then keep it up, and then let me know if you are winning and in which platform you are playing on. and I will catch you guys up in the next video on Saturday. Tomorrow we're going to have a very nice video. I'm gonna record it, I'm gonna play, and on Sunday I'm going to go live. I want to try to be live. Okay, thank you. Keep it up.